Hey y'all, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I just wanted to bring you in and let you see what I'm doing with some of my leftover turkey. This is the turkey in the pot with all of those seasonings and that good stock, and I am steaming it down, just gonna simmer it. It's at a boil right now, but I'm going to steam it because the turkey is already done, and I have added some more um, stock, chicken stock, Swanson's chicken stock. So I put that in there, and I'm gonna let it just simmer down um, really well. And then I am going to cook a pot of rice, and we will have this leftover turkey kind of stewed down, and it is going to be delicious. And as you can see, my seasonings that I baked it with, and some stock and all of that good liquid that was in the bottom of my roasting pan, I know it is going to be delicious. And when I'm done with the rice and everything, I'll come right back. Here's my stewed turkey, and I made a little roux for it. I added some more seasoning to my meat, some onion and garlic powder, Chef Paul Prudhomme's poultry seasonings, some black pepper, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and I add a little broth base, chicken broth base, and here it is. And I added a couple of teaspoons of flour to thicken it, and you see the roux, it's looking good, and we will eat it over rice. Thank you. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, coming back to you to show you the finished product of the rice and gravy, the stewed turkey. I've tasted it. It is delicious. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, follow, share, and ask your friends and family to follow us too. And I thank you so much for your subscriptions and your followings. And have a great day. This is Sunday, November 30th, 2020. Goodbye.